Yeah, Greg and Laura coming at you from Santa Fe, New Mexico, Los Sueños RV Park. Found us a little bit of shade here to park. It was quite warm during our stay. They got a group meeting area, picnic tables, an area to walk your dog, or if you walk a cat, I suppose you could walk it out here as well. Little gathering area back behind the park. Overall, clean park. Could use a little updating. A good central location. Is located right off Cerrillos Boulevard. Even out here in the barren desert, we were able to find some water. Believe that or not. Actually, it's one of those runoff areas, so if there's a flash flood, you definitely don't want to be down in that area. There's a little aerial view of the park. If you look out in the distance, you can see the mountains, Santa Fe Mountains. And this is a full hookup RV park, 50 amp and 30 amp, as you can see the big rigs down in there. And you look off in the distance, you'll be able to see the traffic on Cerrillos Boulevard. Got places to shop, places to eat, all nearby. All the things you'd expect of a normal city or town. And we were lucky to be there during hatch chili time, so we got to get some fresh hatch chili, which was really great. Had some good eats with that. Time to visit the mountains. Here we are cruising up the very twisty, turny mountain roads. You need to be really cautious on these roads because they are twisty, as you can see. Rolling on up this hill. I believe Laura told me this mountain was 10,000 odd feet.
2,350 feet.
At this point, you could take a hike if you'd like, or get out and enjoy the view. Lots of hiking trails, places to sit. This is the Santa Fe State Park, I believe, in this area. Then I went off to another area and did a little bit of drone footage. The mountains are so majestic here, and just had to get a bird's eye view of some of this stuff. Got to run in with a tree also, but I edited that out of this video. Maybe next time around. So I was diligently searching the hills for critters, moose or meese, as Laura said. How many moose does it take to make a meese? I'm not sure. So, since we didn't find any meese or moose, I'm not even sure they have moose up in Santa Fe, to be honest with you, but they do have elk and deer, bear, other critters that can run out on the road. So as you can see, some of these curves are very blind curves. You gotta be really careful and watch for critters and falling rocks. So at this point, I decided to go on a hunt for Bigfoot. Started searching the woods. However, as diligent as I was, we didn't find Bigfoot either.
Ask them to comment below about the girls.
I don't know if y'all could hear that, but Laura asked if you can comment below because we need help with the plurals. And she says squirrels and squirrely videos are plurals. So we're coming up the hill. Kind of hard to tell. You see a truck back there in the background. It's probably about 100 feet up down into that little canyon there. And time for a landing. And those are not boulders. Those are just little pebbles on the road. On the way back down the mountain, we got some video of a really nice sunset. Snapped a few pictures of the sunset because it was just majestic. Great color, the clouds, the schemes, it was all just really, really pretty. And this is how it feels when you're driving down the twisty roads. And this is how it feels when you finally get off that road and just sit and enjoy the day. Appreciate you guys for joining us today. I hope everybody is staying safe, and stay tuned for the next one. We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with. Who knows? So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.